Okay.
Today, I'm visiting Thomas from Rivada Space Networks. Now, I remember visiting you at ILA 2 years ago, and your growth is phenomenal. So tell us, what is Rivada Space Networks doing?
Rivada Space Networks is becoming the next SATCOM operator in low Earth orbit. We are operating 600 satellites, not for commercial creators, for B2B and B2 government solutions only.
Wait, so Rivada's creating this commercially available satellite network out in space that if I'm an entrepreneur and want to create a solution, I can reach out to your partners, right? Interface with them, and I could design a solution using space-based communications. But advantages of Rivada, there's other space-based communication systems. Yours, what about priority of messaging? Can you tell me about this?
We are globally active. We are the only company who can cover every square inch on Earth and under high priority, which means we provide high throughput and low latency communication services.
You mean, so if I'm designing a product or service using Rivada via one of your channel partners, that means I have global capability immediately?
Immediately you can start to connect your headquarters, your subsidiary, whatever in the field under high throughput conditions, in working closely together with our channel partners in every region or in every vertical market.
Okay, now a lot of new space capabilities are like on the drawing board, PowerPoint. Now from what I understand, Rivada, you actually have launches scheduled, like this is really ready to go?
We have a tough schedule, it's online, it's for real. We are currently in the design finalization of the satellites. They're going to be built next year and in launch by 2025. 300 satellites have to be in operation by end of 2026. And at the end, we are running a full constellation of about 600 satellites.
Now that's an aggressive schedule, but I've seen some of your operations, so I'm really confident that this is going to happen as an outside evaluator, right? Everything you're doing shows that high probability of success. So what you're telling me from this is that if I'm a solutions provider, right, or I'm trying to create something with global reach, now is the time to reach out to Rivada's partners to design a solution.
Sales, so you have to start talking to us right now. We are collecting a number of MOU partners who have priority in participating in our test campaigns and validations, their business models, their use cases. So then once we are up and running by 2026, they can start from the first year.
Now, lastly, from what I understand, you're also at the Ukrainian Reconstruction Conference. That's quite an accomplishment. Can you tell me about this?
We were selected as only one out of 20 German companies to participate in the next round of the Ukrainian Recovery Conference. We try to contribute because SATCOM operation is super important for starting Ukraine to recover. No one else does that. They had great experience in the past with Viasat failure right after 2022 February.
So what this means is that Ukraine's telecommunications infrastructure, when they use Rivada, and we're confident they will pick the best, that means their telecom infrastructure leapfrogs over capabilities of everyone else globally.
Absolutely, we can provide high security, high connectivity, high throughput, and also safe in a way that we provide from the space segment. We do not need to dig in new fibers, which is currently not the perfect option.
Yeah, I definitely don't want to be laying fiber across these minefields that we're going to be demining for 40 years. Well, on that note, Thomas, thank you very much.
Thanks for stopping by.
My pleasure.
Lovely to have you.
All right.
Thank you.
Cheers.